Hi guys, this is Carrie. You're watching A Crone's Life, and my nails are terrible. I'm so sorry. I may redo this video because I only have thumbnails that are cute. Anyway, this is a Kickstarter. This was just delivered today, so I'm super excited I get to do it quickly. Sometimes I sit on these boxes and I wait until I have a chance to film, but today I still have daylight, the baby's not here, my air conditioner's loud, but that's okay because it's comfortable. Oh, look at the cute. Oh my gosh. So, this is the Bestiary for Women, but I can't recall. I may have told you guys this before, but I often try to just forget about what I've asked for or what I've backed because that makes it more of a surprise for me. I really love surprises. So when I get lots of goodies in the mail, I'm just like, squee! I'm a child. So, let's see. Oh, little things. Adorable. I don't know what it says. I'll have to use Google Translate to figure out why the dog is peeing on my card. This is her name and her Etsy stuff. And thank you for your support. Ooh, that's pretty. These look like those things you can put in the toilet and they'll just dissolve and you can flush them. So I might try that. Put them under water first, of course. Oh, it's a book. I can tell. I can feel it. It's a book. Okay. I wish I were live and you guys could tell me just what to open first. Let's see. I'm going to open the book first. The pretty washi tape. My ears are ringing. I'm so excited. It is the art book for the Bestiary of Women. I'm so excited. I love her artwork. It's so whimsical. I'm whimsical, and I love that word. Okay. So, you might be able to tell. That's gold. That's gold. Oh. Color-coded edges right here. Nice. I would get that as a tattoo. That's just adorable. I love that. Okay. Okay, so it's sectioned off into different categories. So we have fish women, reptile and amphibian women, bird women, mammal women, invertebrate women, complex hybrids. Feels like that's an extra page, but it's not. And I'm just going to flip through this because if I went through it very extensively, we would be here all night long. So, different types of mermaids. These are from all over the world. I had no idea. I didn't know she was going to do world mythology. That is so cool. Syria, Scotland, Japan, Brazil, China. I'm knocking things down. Baltic Sea, Haiti, South Africa. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Did I skip Ireland or is that Iceland? Whoa. Ireland. Iran. Inuit. Okay, I can't stay on this all day long, but these are from all kinds of different countries. I'm so excited. I could say that again. Oh my god. That is a rainbow lady. Oh, Portugal. Oh man, France, Japan, China, Egypt, Czech Republic, Russia. Okay, we're gonna have to look at these cards, but for right now, this book is just amazing, and I'm so happy. This is wonderful. There's the Selkie. Vahara, Varahi, Bali, what? Aphrodite? She's not a myth. Okay. She calls her a goddess. She's a goddess. That's crazy that she would be in mythology, but yeah, everybody is. Look at that. It's Arachne. Okay, Isis. Iris. I can't read. Don't pay any attention to me. Psyche. Medusa. Manticore. Another Medusa? Wait. Oh, Lilith. Manticore, not Medusa. Okay, cool. Okay. I will get over this book, but for right now, I'm not over this book. This is awesome. I'm going to open the small one because I think I know what it is. See, I never had the Self-Love Tarot, so I decided to go ahead and get it because it was part of the whole deal. I could get the whole set. And I've heard wonderful things about it, and I haven't been seeing it lately. So, ta-da! And the little white book. It has gold on it. Oh, these cards are thin, but it has gold on it. I'm not complaining. Because this isn't really meant to be a walkthrough of this particular deck. I'm just going really fast, but I wanted to show every card because I haven't seen them yet myself, so this is exciting for me. Yay! Okay, that's all those. Ah! I love it. I love, love, love it. Okay. I did show the backs, didn't I? try to have all of her information on the description box section. And then this is the Bestiary for Women deck. Has a couple of spreads in there. Go right back to the beginning. 1 second. Oh, that's a hand-drawn note. Oh, that's awesome. I can't tell what number that is. It might be 77 out of 521. That makes me happy. Okay, so self-love, inner goddess. So there's 2 spreads. That's very nice. Ooh, cardstock is like watercolor paper, but smoother. It's smoother, but it feels like that. It's really, I'm not saying rough. It's not at all rough, but it doesn't have that laminate feeling. It doesn't even have like the matte cardstock feeling. It's like sucking all of the moisture out of my hands. Does that make any sense? So she's really light, but I promise she's got very detailed features. They're just faint in here. Sorry. There's a shadow. Just realized that. Cats are playing. I hope they don't get too loud because they sound like they're hurting each other, but I promise they don't. They just play rough. Psst, psst. Yikes. think she has a hedgehog on her head. So there are two different kinds of Medusas. And then there's different Gorgons. Oh, I so want to do a deep dive with this. So if you guys are interested, well, even if you're not, I will make a series of videos just discussing either each section of the book, each section of females, or I'll go into each card depending on how well my research pans out. So that is my new Kickstarter and I love it. I would put it back in its box, but I threw it across the room at the cat. So let's get a close-up just for the fun of it. It is, like I said, it feels like it's just sucking the moisture out of my hands. So it's not treated. I guess that's the best way to word it. It's not treated cardstock. Nice chunky oracle deck. All right. Well, I'm gonna try and. Did I have this one up there? I hope so. Kitsune. I'm gonna try to cut this off and go on with my plan to do a deep dive with this, and I'll see you guys later. What fun. Thank you for being here. Bye.